welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you and your family are doing super good. So now now it is 9:25 in the morning. So today I didn't within the vlog. I want to tell you guys that like yesterday and today's vlog we added. So I will do like publish my video like that. Mix 2 days vlog together and publish it. So I hope you are all super good, your families. So as you can see, tomorrow there's a surprise tomorrow. I will just tomorrow when and buy a new phone. So this vlog I'm doing vlog in my new phone. So I will show you guys what model, how it looks, what are they. I will definitely share with you guys. Just wait. So I'm done with my brush and all. So I thought let's start the vlog today. So let me have, and when I will have my lunch. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope your family are doing super good. So now I'm starting my vlog at 9:27 in the morning. So tomorrow's vlog and yesterday's vlog and today's vlog will be added, so I will publish it together. So that's what I'm planning. Let's see. And when I will have my lunch, I will show you guys. And there's lots of surprise for you guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So now I'm having my breakfast. So let me show you guys. Let me show from the back camera a bit. So this is my breakfast. Very simple, very simple. I'm not feeling to eat anything, so decided a one roti and a kela, dust and a banana. It's my breakfast for today, and it's very simple. You guys must wondering why, but this I'm not feeling like to eat anything, so that's why. And I will show you my phone at later, at I guess after some time or at night. Let me have it. So I'm right in the shop, standing here doing nothing. Let me show you. As you can see, it's raining. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you and your family are doing so good. Now I'm having my like a whole tea all time. It's like Horlicks and having Horlicks and biscuits, as you guys saw. Now we'll have it. And I pick up just now, and my vlog is starting at 8:46 in the morning. So right now I wake up, and as you can see my face, and I just wake up right now. So that's what, and you can see my face. कितने ज़्यादा spots हैं. Please don't judge me for this because it's the age जो है ये सब होने का. So just ignore this beautiful face. I'm just joking. Don't think that I'm so beautiful. I'm not telling खुद नहीं बोलूँ beautiful, but let me have it. I catch you guys. So now I'm having my breakfast. As you can see, there's no light. The light is gone like few minutes ago. So now I'm having my breakfast. Let me show what I have. This is my breakfast. As you can see, I don't know it's visible or not because of the lightning. This is my breakfast, normal or breakfast. So it's hate ring. That's why if there is string, the light will go definitely, which is I don't like. And it's not stop. It's continuously raining. But and I give the review. It's always better because my mom is a very good cook. Yes, I know that will be better, very much tasty. So let me have it, and I will give you the review. How was it? As you guys see, so this is chutney bhature. So it's very delicious, very, and this is delicious because this is like this sweet and spicy mixture of both is very good. You can see the texture, and you guys will be wondering why I'm using my left hand, because I'm lefty. I use, but when I'm eating chawal or something, like I use right hand, but like spoon things or something, I use left hand. Right is gone, it's not coming till now. So I'm lefty and I use all my things with my left hand while writing. While if I'm eating with spoon, I'm using my left hand, right hand. But for me it's comfortable, and right hand's not comfortable. Let me have it. I talk to you guys later. Suggest me some videos which I should make for you guys, and you guys will entertain. Suggestion, suggest me, and suggestion. Please comment down for a suggestion. Getting back, so now it's 4:46, and now I'm having my some snacks. I'm like having some chips, so I'm having chips. Because I'm feeling a little bit hungry, a little bit, so I decided to have some chips. I'm having it and watching movie. And in my vlog you will see like lots of time I'm watching movie, because I love movies, and it's old, new, I don't, it doesn't matter to me. I love to see movies, so I'm just not have chips and watching movie. And my favorite chips, that's my favorite chips, so I'm having it. Let me enjoy it and watch movie. My favorite job is to doing this.